Everyone, good morning, welcome back to my vlog. It's me again, it's been a vlog. For today's vlog, we're having cup salad for lunch. So we have avocado lime rinds for the dressing. So let's eat, enjoy. Shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Mega shout out to you all, and please like and share and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you're new to my YouTube channel, you haven't like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to pull the notification bell. Hit all for more updated for the next vlog. For the next vlog, we have cup salad for lunch is uh, Chick-fil-A cup salad is um, fried chicken, cherry tomatoes, is roasted corn, black beans, and um, spring, lettuce, and many more, and artful eggs, and joy and God bless. So long, and see you again soon for the next vlog. Thank you for watching, and have a lovely day. Enjoy, and see you again soon. Please like and share, everyone, and don't forget to pull the notification bell. Hit all for more updated for the next vlog. And mega lot shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Shout out to you all. Shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello there, and stay safe as always. And God bless everyone. Thank you, and see you again soon for the next vlog.